Hello friends, my name is Manu Chaudhary. I'm the director of CDC Printers, one of the highest awarded print company in India. We have recently launched an app using which you can access all your order history. You can check up on the current delivery status, the current status, production status, whether it has been printed, whether it has been laminated, punched, or whatever. You can also get the print schedule when it's expected to be printed, and of course, you can also know the tentative delivery plan. Along with it, you'd also get to know the entire job specification, what kind of paper was used, what kind of embellitions were planned for this job. So the entire product specification is also there right in your hands. You can also check on what were the deliveries done for the particular product, when were those delivered, what quantities were delivered on what dates. So in fact, you would get to have all data that you would always wanted to ask a printer and you never got reply on time. So all this information and more are given, provided proactively from us to you on your app. Now, in the previous video, I had talked about how to install the app and how to log in uh, using a key using which you can access your company's data. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use this app to get all the information that you need. So once you log in, this is the first screen that you will see. In this screen, there are a few things that I want to talk about. So first is the overview section. This tells you the amount of billing that we have done per month for each month. Okay. Then there is a summary, the total number of orders that were placed on us during this time frame, which is last 6 months, the total number of deliveries which were done, and current number of pending deliveries which are still with us. Now, it also tells you a short recent history details, and obviously the names have been blurred so that the confidential information is not shared. But here you will find the name of your product. Here there will be the PO number. This will be the job number that CDC has generated, and this is the work order date and the quantity that you have ordered. Okay, so this just gives a brief information about the recent orders that have been placed onto us. Okay. Then we can click on the navigation panel, the three horizontal lines here. If you click on that, you get this screen where the CDC logo will be on the top. Here you'll have your name, the name that you've used to log in, plus this is the company database that you're looking at. Now, there are several links here. There's a home button, which we have already discussed. There's an orders button, which we're going to discuss soon. Then deliveries, products, paper statement, and then you can log out. Now, let's go to the orders page. Now, in this orders page, we can see there are three tabs on the top. There is all, pending, closed. All shows you all the orders that has been placed to us. The pending, the orders which are currently pending, and closed means the orders which have been already delivered or closed. And this is the time frame. Now we can change this from last 6 months. There are several options like last 1 month, last week, or you can even choose a custom time frame. Now in this screen there are several things that I want to talk about. So these horizontal lines are separators for each of the individual orders. On the top is the name of the item that has been ordered. Then you have the CDC job number, your PO number, your PO date, the quantity that has been ordered, the rate at which it has been ordered, the quantity that has been delivered till now, print schedule. This is very important. This shows when we are expecting to print the job. Now all this information is directly coming from our database, and we are doing all our planning on the print management software that we have. And whatever time and date where we have planned the job to be printed, that's the date that is coming over here. So you have exact information, and you have real-time information and more accurate information even compared to the your CRM or your sales manager. It also shows you the status. This will always show the last operation that has been carried upon on this job. So there is somewhere which shows invoiced, which means it has been completed and billed. There is one here, it shows lamination finished, which means the last operation that was done on this job was lamination, and so on and so forth. Then on the right we can see there's a truck with a clock on it. This shows an expected delivery schedule. So this tells you when your job is expected to be delivered incomplete. You can also search for whatever you want to search for. Let's say you have several items, and you type some keyword over here, the entire list gets shortened, and you only see those items which matches those keyword. So now all these blue buttons are clickable, and once we click on it, we get more information again. So let's first talk about the order details. So if we click on the status button, this is what we can see. This shows you, this is again on the top, you will have the order name, work order number, PO number, quantity, etc., etc. Now issue date is when the paper was issued for printing, the printing date, punching date, pasting date. So you'll know when was each of these operations done and what were the operations that were done. And then you also get to see the GPN quantity, which means good production note, which means the quantity that has been produced and ready with us. Okay. So if you go back to the previous page, we talked about this button. Then we are going to talk about the delivery quantity. So if you click on the delivery quantity button, this is a small window which will come. This will show you the challan number, the date, and the quantity that was delivered on that date. So you would have an exact idea on that what were the deliveries made against that particular order. Okay. Then we're going to talk about the third button, which is if you click on the main item, the product title, you get to see your product specifications. So this, on the top you will have the name, then you have the substrate on which it was printed, the colors using which it was printing, what were the other finishings that had to be done, the size of the carton. You also get the last order date, the last order quantity, and this is an interesting graph that you also get. It shows you the deliveries that were made in last 6 months. So you tentatively get an idea of what is your average delivery liftment of this particular product. Of course, you always have this idea, but this is something information that we are also sharing with you. So this was all about the orders page. So we talked about each of these buttons. We also talked about the search panel. We also talked about the 3 tabs, and we talked about the time frame you can select from here. Most importantly, you get to see your expected production delivery date over here. Okay. Now the next section we're going to talk about is deliveries. Okay, so let's go to the deliveries page. So if you click on deliveries, this is what you're going to see. This will tell you that on this date, the deliveries that was made, here you will have the item number and the quantity that was delivered. So as soon as we create the challan for the delivery, the information gets updated over here. So there are a lot of times when the vendors, not only printers but any vendor, will say yes, your materials have left, but it has not reached. Maybe there's some problem in the truck, something or the other. There's some problem on the road, but you really don't have to. In our case, we just have to go and check on our app. If it shows that it's delivered, that means genuinely the challan has been created. Or if it shows that no challan has been created but still the truck is there, that means the person is bluffing. So we bring complete transparency to you. Now after deliveries, there was another section which talks about the products. So if we click on the products page, this gives you the list of products that you have ordered with us. Now this is specifically for packaging items, because in packaging items most of the products are repeated items. When you talk about leaflets or books or brochures, those are 95% of the cases one-time job, and they are not going to be repeated. So those are the things which won't come in this list. Primarily only the packaging items are going to be covered here. So you will see the name of the product, you will see the quantity which were delivered in last 6 months, and the last order date. Okay. Again, you can easily click on the item name, and you will get the same details that we had discussed earlier regarding the products. So you get to know the substrate, the color, the finishing, and the deliveries in last 6 months. So this is what primarily our app does. There is also another section, paper statement. In this section, you can see the papers. This is primarily for people who are supplying us with papers and we are not buying them. So they would always want to know what papers have been received, who has sent what papers, and in which jobs we have used those papers. So this button on this page is primarily for them, which I'm not going to cover in this video, which I'm going to talk about a little later. All right. And once all of this is done, you can just close the app. And thank you for listening to me. Hope this app will be very useful to bring, and hope there's a lot more of transparency and lot more of disappearance of all the miscommunication which happens using this app. Thank you so much.